Good morning, I am Sudarshan Sukhani. Today is November 2, 2021 Tuesday, and today I will be discussing the Nifty View as well as the basis for which stocks views are given on CNBC in the morning interview between 8:45 and 9 a.m. before markets open. This is the statutory announcement. This is my research analyst certification and number. Now the Nifty View actually doesn't come on its own. I use some tools to develop a view. Momentum is a method that I use extensively, and you can use anything else, it doesn't matter. The important point is to be consistent rather than to keep on changing ideas every day. Context is important. The ideas you hear on the media are just 5 or 10% of the trading plan. They are irrelevant, to tell you the truth. Much more important is context. And context is something that you develop on your own. You know, trading is something that you do on your own. You can't expect somebody else to do it for you and put money in your bank. It doesn't work like that. Some people like me can give you ideas and some sense of direction. That's all. That happens in all other professions also. I mean, a doctor can't say, okay, come and do work for me and I will be the success. It doesn't work like that. Okay. This is a sample chart. This is just to tell you how momentum works for me. This is the momentum line, the red line. The two lines, the blue lines are the outer and lower and upper bands. And once momentum starts turning down, the idea is that the markets are now weakening. When momentum is going up, markets are strong. So obviously you want to take the side in which the momentum is going. That's the general idea. This is the chart, 30-minute chart for the Nifty till yesterday. Today, of course, we have not opened. Now, we see a smart rally on Monday. We all know it. Now, after a smart rally like this, there are three options. Markets can see continuation, consolidation, or a decline. I would assume that a consolidation is most likely, because there is nothing to suggest that the markets can suddenly start a decline. That's the context for you. The three stocks that I am talking about have talked about on the TV channel today. One of them is Apollo Hospital. A very decent correction in Apollo. Then the stock had already started rising. It was rising even when the Nifty was falling last week. And now momentum has started rising. This is the 2-bar low. Consider this could be a buying opportunity with a stop under the 2-bar low. The second is Balkrishna Industries. Balkrishna Industries had a similar pattern, a decent correction. The stock was rising even when the Nifty was falling, and again momentum has just turned up, so it's worthwhile buying with the appropriate stop mentioned here. And the third is Bharat Forge. See the chart, you can hardly make anything out of it, but there is something here. The stock has been consolidating for almost 3 or maybe 4 months. If you go behind, it may be consolidating for more. Now momentum has just turned up. It is possible that eventually after this consolidation, Bharat Forge will break out, up or down. Given the bull market, I am assuming the breakout will be on the upside, because that's a buying opportunity with a stop. You need to take action. I think that's fair enough. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good trading day. Bye.